Welcome to the Voluson video tutorial for archive anonymization. The Voluson systems provide an easy way to anonymize raw data images, volumes, or entire exams. This tool helps remove all patient data when utilizing volumes and images for presentations or teaching. Access the patient archive by selecting the Archive button on the console. Anonymization can be performed at the patient level, exam level, or image level. Using trackball and set, choose a patient, exam, or an image. Next, press the trackball key, labeled Anonymize. A new window will appear for input of new anonymized data. Only the patient ID field is mandatory. All other fields are optional. The patient ID field can be customized, or the system can auto-generate an ID. Select OK to complete. After performing the first anonymization, a new archive is created that is parallel to the local archive. The newly created anonymized study is listed in the anonymized archive. This study contains all image and volume information with the new identifiers that have been entered. It is important to note that some images are not anonymizable. For instance, if an image was taken of the new patient screen, patient report, or 3D images are programmed to save only a screenshot, these images cannot be anonymized, and thus will not be included in the anonymized archive. Anonymized exams can be exported in 4DV format, retaining all of their raw data capabilities to be reloaded onto another Voluson, or onto 4D view without patient identifiers. Images can also be combined in the anonymized archive from different patient studies. This is valuable for grouping certain anatomy or pathology together for teaching or other purposes. To add additional images to an existing exam, choose a new patient image from the local archive and select Anonymize. Next, choose a previously created ID in the dialog menu. There is now an advanced choice to add to the existing exam, or create a new exam under the same patient ID. This is an excellent way to build a library of interesting cases, or dedicated cases of anatomy or pathology. If the source exam remains on the local archive, anonymized images can be linked back to the original patient exam in case the physician wants to reevaluate the original images or data. However, once the local archive has been deleted, the original exam can no longer be accessed. The Voluson systems offer a robust and easy-to-use archive package to help meet your daily image management needs.